What's up, average dad fans? Welcome back to another video, and this is just a quick video because I'm super excited. About a week ago, I decided to order the third Vivo flagship phone that I haven't had in my possession. You can see cards up here linking to the Vivo X80 Pro video I done, the Vivo X Fold, numerous videos that I've done that have been extremely popular on my channel. But today, I'm excited because I complete the Holy Trinity, the trifecta, the third variation of Vivo's flagship lineup, which, by the way, Vivo just absolutely have killed it. But anyway, it's the Vivo X Note in all of its 7-inch display glory. This video is a quick unboxing, so don't expect anything about the specifications. Essentially, in the box, like all Vivo devices I purchased previously, including the Vivo X Fold and the X80 Pro, you get a case included in the box. You get a 80-watt charger. Again, purchased from Blue Iode. Let's go with that. If you know how to pronounce that name, let me know in the comments. I think it's Blue Iode or Blue Iode. Anyway, Chinese company, so this does not have an adapter included. With Wanda, I did notice you do get the charger adapter included for all non-Chinese variants. But anyway, I've got enough adapters, so I can plug that 80-watt charger in straight away. It's got wired headphones and warranty card and stuff, which essentially is rendered useless when you import the phone, unless you know someone in the country you've imported it from if anything goes wrong. Ultimately, all this in the box for how much? £950. So not a cheap phone, but when I do my first impressions video, you will see exactly why £950 is an absolute steal for this device. So until that first impressions video, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I will be bringing you lots of content on the Vivo X Note. And yes, it's going to be content that isn't in Chinese or Indian. It isn't a janky setup with poor camera quality and awful audio. I'm going to be bringing you as high a quality as I can bring anyway, telling you all about this Vivo X Note. Until then, peace.